The Manipur Chief Minister N. Singh on November 24 assured strict action against those involved in poppy cultivation and their associates in response to an ultimatum issued by a Naga village authority. The Manipur CM's statement came after a police team led by an additional SP and village volunteers were allegedly targeted by armed planters when they attempted to destroy poppy cultivation in Kangpopi district recently. Taking to his official X handle, Singh said, "I appreciate the Makhan village authority for taking a strong stand against poppy cultivation in their villages. Let me assure you that Central Security Forces and State Police are always on standby, ready to take necessary action against the poppy cultivation and its accomplices." He further urged everyone to come forward and join this movement to eliminate drugs from Manipur. The incident occurred on November 20 at approximately 11:30 a.m. when members of the Makhan village, accompanied by the additional SI of Police Kangpopi and over 30 police personnel, attempted to destroy illegal poppy cultivation. The Makhan village authority issued an ultimatum to the government demanding action within 4 days. "We give the government a period of 4 days to destroy the poppy plants from our Makhan Lengmai Naga land and arrest those cookie poppy cartel groups," the statement declared, warning of potential democratic protests, including transport disruptions if their demands are not met.